Here's how to convert a file to MP4 using HandBrake. Open HandBrake and click Open Source to add your video file. You can also drag and drop the file directly into the application. Go to the Summary tab and make sure the container format is set to MP4. Then go to the Dimensions tab and check your resolution. Adjust the width and height if needed. Next, go to the Video tab. Select your video codec. H.264 is the most common and widely compatible option. Set your quality using constant quality and choose your frame rate. Then go to the Audio tab and make sure the codec is set to AAC. If you don't want to adjust settings manually, click the Presets button and choose a preset that matches your device or use case. HandBrake will configure everything automatically. When you're ready, click Browse next to Save As to choose where your file will be saved. Then click Start Encode and HandBrake will convert your file to MP4. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.